If you want to record with the front and the back camera simultaneously on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now, the default camera app on your iPhone does not support this feature, but if you want to get this feature, just go to the App Store and in the search bar just search this and install this app on your iPhone. After you install Snapchat, then tap on Open. Now from here, just set up Snapchat on your iPhone, and after you do that, just tap on this drop down arrow over here. And once you do that, you will find the option of dual camera. Just tap on it, and from here, just select the dual camera mode which you prefer. You can select vertical, and you can set the top part for the selfie camera and the bottom part for the back camera, or you can select split horizontally. And by doing that, you will set one side for the back camera and the other side for the front camera. And finally, you have the option of bubble. And by doing that, you will record from the front camera and the video recorded with the back camera will be in a bubble on the screen. Just select the method which you prefer. For example, I will select split vertically. Now just tap on anywhere on the screen. And to start recording, just tap and hold on the shutter button and swipe to the left side. And by doing that, you will start recording from the front and the back camera at the same time. And to stop recording, just tap on this button on the screen. You will start recording from the front and the back camera at the same time. If you want to save this video to the Photos app on your iPhone, just tap on the download button, and by doing that, you will download this video directly to the Photos app. Just like that. And this is how you can record with the front and the back camera simultaneously on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.